Doing an engine swap on my Fiero. First time ever. I got it all the way to where the engine's down, ready to come out. Got everything disconnected. The front cradle bolts came out alright. And then the rear cradle bolts, which go right here, I had to cut them off. And I had to cut a square right here into the body because that piece in there, the bolt, is just spinning and it should be connected to the frame of the car, but it's just spinning. So we couldn't take the rear bolts off. So it literally took 3 hours to take the last 2 bolts off. Went through the entire thing fine, and the last 2 cradle bolts, both of them, they're supposed to be just 2 bolts. Had to cut them both off. And then it came down. I got the suspension taken down. Got the computer taken out of the car. Flashlight. See, the computer's gone. I had to start out by disconnecting the antifreeze, or the Freon, to let the Freon out of the air conditioning. Then I let the coolant out. And then right here's my list. Everything you gotta do for the top of the engine. And then everything on the bottom of the engine, step by step. And then I had a list of the tools that I need for each part. So basically I got caliper bolts, deck lid bolts, air breather, my dog bone, air box, rotors. Right here's the computer system. I got my wheel wells out the rear. Ordered some pizza. Here's the rear fins that go over the battery and the airbox. Right there's the deck lid. Just sitting there. Everything's disassembled. Ready to go. Got my calipers hanging. The only thing that's keeping me from pulling this engine out, putting it on the ground tonight, I don't know why this is like this or what happened, but it's disconnected right here. Okay. And then if I lower it, this arm right here is going to take this hose off. So I literally cannot. I can't lower it until that hose is above that bar. So that means I gotta disconnect it right there. I don't have the right size wrench with me, or I would have already done it. I have the socket, but I don't know. I couldn't get it off. The air compressor wouldn't take it off, so I'm gonna have to come back with it tomorrow. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. I've been here all night. This place is still a mess. I need to clean it up. That's the update. Engine's out. Just one more minor hiccup in the way. I didn't have any problems with it until I got to that rear cradle bolt, and it just would not come off. It's just spinning, so we had to cut them off. But it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I have a lot of tools to put away, so I got another 45 minutes worth of work before I can leave here. So you guys have fun. I should be back Wednesday to finish the engine pull, swap